Well, this is what I'm gonna be doing while I'm at this spot where I can run my generator. I'm going to defrost this freezer. I took everything out. I'm gonna turn my generator on and take a hairdryer to it. And I know there's gonna be a lot of water, so I've got to put a lot of paper towels or an actual towel there. I don't want to be driving around with a wet towel, so I'll probably use paper towels. Let's get started. What a difference. Look at that. There's still some ice back there. But look at, turn into water. I'll suck it up. There we go. I just want this big piece just to slide right off. We'll get there. Okay, I think we are finished. It's looking nice and smooth. Yep. And I want to show you, I wrung out this paper towel. Look how much water that ice turned into. That's a lot of water. That's not a new flavor of ice cream. That is dirty freezer water. Okay, it looks like the fridge is next, because look at that. Right in between those, you can see all that ice built up. And up on top too. It's there. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, we're gonna get rid of all that. It should be clear like the ones over here. Let's get started. Look how much ice is melting. I had to put that cup there to catch it. All coming off though. See these pieces of ice? In the sink. I forgot how much fun this is. Okay, we are about finished. The icicles are still falling. Hey, who needs to go to the snow when you can have fun and just defrost your refrigerator and your freezer? on getting more. Oof. There's another one. I think between the icicles that I threw in the sink and they're still coming, and the paper towels, I think we could have definitely filled this up twice. Crazy, huh?